Hi, I'm Kamal. I have been with Xcube Labs for the past 5 years and currently work as a customer success manager. Right from the start, I was given the opportunity to work closely with clients and contribute to key projects. Over the years, my role has evolved significantly. I have taken more on strategic responsibilities, collaborated with cross-functional teams, and helped scale our customer success process. It's been a rewarding journey filled with continuous learning and personal growth. One of the most impactful shifts in my career has been learning to think strategically while staying deeply connected to customer experience. I have honed skills in stakeholder management, data-driven decision making, and cross-functional collaboration, all of which have helped me grow into a more well-rounded professional. Xcube Labs fosters a culture of innovation and learning. There is a strong emphasis on experimentation, ownership, and continuous skill development. I have had the freedom to try out new ideas, lead initiatives, and grow through real-world challenges. It's truly a place where new thinking is encouraged and growth is part of everyday life. The support from my mentors and leaders has been phenomenal. They are approachable, insightful, and genuinely invested in helping me succeed. Knowing I have such a supportive and encouraging team behind me has made a real difference in my journey. One of the most memorable moments was working with a BFSI client on a critical integration project with a tight deadline. We collaborated closely with their IT team to keep everything on track, and hearing their appreciation at the end made all the efforts incredibly rewarding. Another favorite memory was automating a specific event report that allowed the client to build dashboards on top of it. We worked closely with their networking and server teams to establish the necessary data connections. With excellent support from our internal team, we completed the project on time. Moments like this truly highlight the meaningful impact we make as customer success managers. Stay curious, take initiative, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Xcube Labs offers a fantastic environment for learning and growth. Jump in with enthusiasm. You will find plenty of opportunities to grow and make your mark.